Okay. Welcome to Vignana Jyoti YouTube channel. Today I am here with you to explain how to solve simple equations. So the concept was introduced for 8th class. So before going to this concept, I would like to explain this concept by using some TLM. So many slow learners can face many problems while understanding the solutions of the linear equation. So, especially this linear equation contains only one variable. That means it is a linear equation in single variable. That means the equation have x or y, z. Okay, a linear equation in single variable is called a simple equation. Now, how do we solve the simple equation? By using TLM. So, before going to that, the equation contains two types of terms. The first one is variable term and the second one is constant. So, in this TLM, a rectangle stands for variable. Okay, here this rectangle has two colors. One is yellow, other one is green. Here the green can be represented positive sign, whereas this yellow can represents negative sign. If you have minus x, you will show this color. If you have plus x, you will show this green color. So green stands for plus. Okay, yellow stands for minus. Okay, 1x is equal to 1 rectangle. Then another term is constant. For representing of a constant, we have to use a square unit. You see here, this is the square unit. So this has two colors. This one is yellow, as it stands for negative. If it's opposite side, it has green color. This green color is nothing but positive. So it is nothing but plus 1. This green color plus 1, it is nothing but minus 1. If you would like to take plus 2x, you have to take like this. This is 1x and this is another x. So these two makes 2x. If you have 4x in the problem, then you have to take this type of rectangles 4 with green color. Why? You consider plus x, plus 4x. You consider plus 4x. Therefore, you have to opt the green color towards you. Therefore, it becomes 3x. Then I will join one more. This becomes 4x. Okay. For example, if you have, these are plus x. For example, if you have minus 2x, so for minus, you have to show the yellow color. So this is nothing but minus x, isn't it? Then this is nothing but one more minus x. Therefore, these two makes minus 2x. Okay, so whenever you want to take plus x, you have to show the green color. Whenever you represent minus x, you have to show the yellow color. One rectangle gives 1x. If you have how many x's are there, you can take that much rectangles. If the problem contains how many variables, that much rectangles you have to take. Okay, then come to the constants concept. If you have plus 1, you put one green color square bit. 1 square bit equals to 1. So if you have plus 2, you will add one more square bit with green color. So this is plus 1 and this is plus 1 makes plus 2. Whenever you have plus 2, you have to take two different square bits with green color. For example, if you have minus 3 in the problem, you have to take yellow color square bit. For constants, we have to take square bits. For minus especially, we will take yellow. That means for showing minus 3 constant, this is minus 1. Then this is minus 2. Then this is minus 3. Isn't it? So if you want to show plus 4, you have to take 4 square bits with green color. If you want to show minus 5, you will take this type of yellow. Okay, 5. You will take 5 square bits have showing yellow color shade. Okay, then after that, okay, finally green meant for positive. Okay, then yellow stands for negative. For variables, you have to take rectangles. For constants, you have to take square bits. Okay, that's enough. So one more thing you have to know here. So what is this? What stands for this? This stands for plus 1. Then it is stands for what? Minus 1. Whenever you put plus 1 minus 1 side by side, those makes 0. One green color, one yellow color makes 0. Whenever you put square unit with green color, okay, a square unit with yellow color, whenever these two are side by side, the result will be 0. That means you have to remove these two from the field. Similarly, if you take, this is for plus x, this is for minus x. Whenever you have 1 plus x, 1 minus x, whenever this yellow and this green and this yellow are side by side, the result will be these two are come out from the field. That means 0. Okay, for example, if you have like this is how much? You have to remember, this green color means 1x, this green color means another x, total we have 2x. If you have suppose like this, what is this? Can you tell what is this? This yellow meant for 1 minus. Then what happens? One green, all these are side by side, isn't it? Therefore, one yellow, one green, both are comes out from the field because those are negative signs. Therefore, they both come out from the field. The result is plus x. The result is plus x. These things you have to remember while solve the linear equations in single variable. Those are nothing but simple equations. I would like to solve one simple equation by using this TLM. Okay, the problem is like that. 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. The problem is 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. So the problem starts with 2x. So this 2x means, is it plus 2x or minus 2x? Here the before sign, the left sign of 2x is nothing but plus. If you cannot find any sign before 2x, it gives plus. Therefore plus 2x. I have at the beginning plus 2x. Therefore I should take 2. This is 1x and this is another x. Okay, this is 2x. Then 2x is followed by, minus 1 is followed by 2x. Then what comes after 2x? Minus 1. Minus 1 means, is it a variable term or constant term? A constant, which shape we have to opt? It is nothing but a square bit. So this square bit is, you take yellow square bit or green square bit? For minus 1, minus always shows yellow. Therefore, this is nothing but minus 1. Isn't it? So, this makes LHS. This makes LHS. Isn't it? Then come to RHS. What is the value of RHS? Is nothing but 3. So, it is a constant term. So, for constant, we have to opt 3 square bits. Okay, isn't it? 3 square bits. This is plus 3. So, that's why you have to show green color. Okay, this is plus 1 and this is another plus 1. That means 2. This is another 1. Okay, this is 3. This part is LHS. This part is LHS. This part is RHS. What is the LHS? X plus x. That is 2x. Here yellow square bit. Square bit means constant. 1 square bit stands for 1. So it has yellow color. It gives minus 1. Therefore it is nothing but 2x minus 1. From this you can make the algebraic expression. From this you can make relevant algebraic expression. Here x plus x, 2x minus 1. Here plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that means 3. Okay. Now the thing is, what you have to do here, you have to transpose all rectangles from one side, all square bits on other side, isn't it? You have to interchange all the rectangles one side, all the square bits one side. Okay, you have to change. Square bits always will be stood one side. Okay, variables always will be stood on other side. Here I would like to keep rectangles as it is. Therefore, I have to transpose this square bit to that side. Why? Because here we have 3 square bits. That's why I have to change this square bit to that side. Whenever you transpose this square bit, it becomes reverse. That means the yellow becomes reversed. Then reversed means what happens? It becomes green color. Before that, you have yellow color. Whenever you reverse it, you will get green color. This green color comes here. Okay, now can you make the expression? Can you prepare this suitable expression? Here x plus x 2x. Here 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Here 1, 1, 1, 4 1. That is 4. Here the algebraic equation is nothing but 2x is equal to 4. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to find the value of x. We have to find the value of x. Here these two I will replace side by side. Then you have to distribute these square bits to each rectangle. Now what I am doing? I have to distribute these square bits. I have to distribute these square bits to these two rectangles equally. These are distributed among these two rectangles equally. So I will take one square bit, I will give to this rectangle. Okay, I will take one more square bit and I will give to this rectangle. Okay, then I will take one more, I will give to this rectangle. Okay, I will take this more, I will give to this rectangle. Can you find any constant in RHS? No, the RHS will be here 0. Then that means here this rectangle stands for plus x. This stands for 2. Here x is equal to 2. Here also x is equal to 2. Okay. So therefore the solution is x is equal to 2. Are you clear? Example is 5x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 8. I will once again read the problem. 5x plus 2 is equal to 2x plus 8. Now we will go to arrange the shapes according to the problem. What is the first term of the problem? 5x. For x stands for x you have to choose which shape, either square or rectangle. You can clearly say rectangle for variable. So in rectangle we have to show yellow color or green color. Here it is plus x. Therefore you have to take 5 rectangles with green color. We have to take, now you will take 1, this is 2x, okay, this is 3x, okay, this is 4x, this is 5x, isn't it? This is 5x. Then what is the next term after 5x? Plus 2. 2 is constant or variable? It is clearly constant. So for constant we have to have squares. How many squares? 2 squares. With which color? Plus 2 means plus always stands to green color. Therefore you have to, this square one, this is plus 1, this is plus 2. Now you will try to make the expression by using this. Can you try it? You have to make an expression by using this. This is a 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. These are 5x. This is plus 2. Therefore, the expression will becomes 5x plus 2. Okay. Come to RHS. What is RHS? Is 2x plus 8. First one 2x. You have to take rectangle. With which color? Plus. Therefore, you have to take 2 green color rectangles. See here, this is 1x, and this is 2x. So these two makes 2x. Then what is the constant? It is nothing but plus 8. So for constant you have to opt square bits with which color? Nothing but green color, because of plus 8. This is 1, isn't it? This is 1 and 2, okay, then 3, okay. You have to keep like this for space, okay, then 4, then 5, then 6, like this, okay, then 7, and the last one is 8, okay. Can you tally this equation with these shapes? So this is 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x plus 2. Here 1x, 2x, 2x plus 8. So we have to arrange the LHS spot and RHS spot. Now what is our plan? We have to keep all the rectangles at one side, and you have to keep all the squares on other side. Here in LHS you have 5 rectangles. In RHS you have only 2 rectangles. So you have to change 2 rectangles from that side to this side is a easy thing. That's why I have to keep all those rectangles in LHS. I have to keep all those rectangles in LHS. Therefore these 2, okay, these 2 rectangles come to this side, while come to this side these 2 green color rectangles will be reversed while coming to this side. While coming to this side they are reversed. Then what happens? This comes to into LHS. Okay. Then here we have 2 square bits, but actually square bits will be replaced at that side. Okay. Then only we have all the rectangles one side and all the square bits on other side. Then while going to the side, these 2 square bits will be reversed. Okay, so this one placed here, this can be placed here, and this can be placed here. Okay, after that go through the calculation. Here you see this is yellow, this is green. I have already explained that one yellow, one green will come out from the field. Okay, that means plus 1 minus 1 will become 0. That means I will say like that. These both are come out the field. From means these both makes 0. Then here plus 1 minus 1. One yellow, one green. These makes, as for mathematics, 0. As for according to our TLM, these both, okay, come out from the field. Okay. Then go through calculation in RHS. You see here one yellow square bit, here one green. Whenever you find opposite colors, you can there is scope for calculation. This yellow, this green becomes plus minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0 as for mathematics. According to our TLM, these both are come out from the field. Okay, you have to remove these 2 from the field. Then come to here one more pair, one yellow, one green. That means one yellow, one green pair makes 0. One yellow, one green pair makes 0. Therefore, these 2 also come out from the field. Okay, then you have only one color. That is the most important. At final, you have to maintain both sides same color. Now LHS have only green color and RHS also only green color. Whenever you get same color on both sides, okay, some transposing process will be stopped. Now you have to distribution. Now the thing is we have to start distribution. How? Here we have 3 rectangles. Okay, so these 6 square bits will be distributed to equally to these 3 rectangles. Okay, you have to maintain some distance. Now I will give 1 square bit to this rectangle. So there is no partiality. I will give 1 square bit this rectangle, isn't it? Now I will take one more and give to this one. Now I will distribute all the rectangles 1 square bit. Now I will go to distribute the remaining square bits also equally. That is important. Now I keep this here and I keep this for second one. I keep this for third one. Is there any square bits left in the RHS? No. Therefore, this means this rectangle means x. X is equal to how much? 2. Here also x is equal to. Here also x is equal to 2. Therefore, every rectangle has equal number of square bits. Then only your answer will be correct. For example, this rectangle has 2 square bits and this rectangle has 3 square bits. That is not the correct way to solve the problem. To finalize the answer, each rectangle should have equal number of square bits. Then only you can conclude the answer. Isn't it? Therefore, here x is equal to. Okay, are you understand? Next, one more example is 2x plus 1 is equal 6. Okay, 2x plus 1 is equal 6. Therefore, if you observe the LHS, the first term is 2x. Therefore, you have to opt to green color rectangles. This is 1x and this is another x. It makes these two makes 2x. Then plus 1, 2x. After 2x, you can have plus 1. So plus 1 is nothing but a constant. Therefore, you have to opt one square bit with yellow, one square bit with green color only. Then LHS is over. But you have to make the relevant algebraic expression by using the shapes. Here x plus x, 2x is plus 1. It becomes 2x plus 1. RHS. What we have in RHS? It is nothing but 6. So is it plus 6 or minus 6? It is plus 6. Therefore, you have to take 6 square bits with green color. This is plus 1. This is plus 2. This is plus 3. This is plus 4. This is plus 5. This is plus 6. Okay. There is no rectangles in RHS. There is no rectangle in RHS means there is no x term in RHS. Now, what is our step? We have to separate all the rectangles at one side, all the square units at one side. So, clearly, here the LHS contains only rectangles. So, there is no need of transposing rectangles. Therefore, here you have a square bit 1 square bit. This square bit will be go to that side. While going to that side, here it will be reversed and with negative sign. It will be reached by here with the yellow shade. That means negative sign. So, here you can find different colors. Isn't it? Here yellow, here green and yellow. So that is not the proper thing. You have to make all of them as a single color. That's why this pair, this opposite color pair, yellow green will come out from field. Why? Because plus 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Now you can get same color on both sides. Okay. Whenever you get same color on both sides, then only you have to distributing the square bits. Okay, the distribution can take place whenever you find both LHS and LHS in same color. Now I have same color in LHS, okay, in RHS. Therefore, I will go to distribute these square bits. Now here I have two rectangles. For our convenience, you have to separate. Okay, I will give one to this side. Okay, then I will give this green color here one. Then in distributing, the square bit should not be reversed. That is the important thing. Whenever distribution is going on, in distribution cases, okay, the square bit or rectangle, the square bit never be reversed. Okay, then you have to give one more square bit to this rectangle and one more to this. Okay, now here we have one square bit will be left. If I give the square bit to this one, then what happens? This rectangle have 3 square bits and this rectangle has only square bits. It is not the correct way for distributing. I have already told that I have already told that every rectangle has equal number of square bits. After completion of the distribution, every rectangle should have equal number of square bits. Therefore, it is not wrong process. So you have to keep this one. Then what you can do? What we people are do that side. Suppose if you have one cake, you and your sister fighting for that cake, then what your mom do? What your mom will do? Simply she will cut into two pieces and give to you your sister half. Okay, then in similar way you have to cut this, make into half. You have to make into half and one half to this side and one half to this side. Then what happens? For example, this is half. Okay. Therefore, this is common to both. Half comes to this rectangle, another half goes to that rectangle. Therefore, what is the value of this rectangle? Here 2, here half. It becomes 2 and half. Here, what about this rectangle? Here 2, here half. Therefore, this rectangle also contains 2 and half, and this rectangle also contains 2 and half. Isn't it? Therefore, what is the value of x? X is equal to 2.5. Or if you take as a mixed fraction, 2 1 by 2. Isn't it? So, whenever you find one rectangle, then you have to make into equal pieces. If you have 3 rectangles here, you have to make 3 equal pieces and give 1 piece to each rectangle. It becomes 1 by 3. Okay, it is the special case. Okay, isn't it? I would like to explain one more problem. It is something different. Okay, the problem is like this. X minus 4 is equal to 3 minus 2x. The problem is x minus 4 is equal to 3 minus 2x. Okay. So, what is the first term in LHS? X. Is it plus x or minus x? Yes, clearly it is plus x. Therefore, you have to take one green color rectangle. Then, after x, what you can find? Minus 4. For constant, you have to opt 4 squares. Those are with which color? Is nothing but with yellow color. So, this is 1, this is 1 minus 2, this is minus 3, this is minus 4. So, you will try to make the relevant expression. So, green color rectangle gives x, yellow color square bits 4 minus 4. Therefore, the expression is x minus 4. Now, come to RHS. In RHS, what is the first term? It is nothing but plus 3. Therefore, you have to opt 3 square bits with green color. So, this is 1 and this is 2 and this is 3. These 3 makes plus 3 in RHS. Then minus 2x. For variable, we have to opt rectangles. Here minus 2x. That's why I will take 2 rectangles with yellow color only. So, now this is minus x and this is minus x. Then you will try to make relevant expression of RHS. Yes, if you do like this, minus 2x plus 3 or 3 minus 2x. You have to prepare the expression from upwards to downwards or downwards to upwards. Both are equal. Now, the process is to separate the rectangles at one side and square bits at one side. Now, here we have one rectangle, though here we have 2 rectangles with yellow color. So, I would like keep all the rectangles in LHS. I would like to keep all rectangles at this side. Therefore, I have to take out these 2 rectangles to this side. While coming to this side, okay, at the equality sign, it will be, this yellow shade will be reversed and falls into LHS. Okay, then, so here we keep rectangles, therefore we keep square bits at RHS. Therefore, you have to transpose each square bit. So, while transfer this square bit at equality sign, it will be reversed and come like this. Then you will take second one. it go through that side. At the equality sign, it will be reversed and will place it at RHS. Then one more. Okay, it will also reverse at equality sign and will be replaced at RHS. Then this one also like this. Isn't it? Now, can you get same color on LHS and RHS? Yes, we can get green color in LHS and RHS. Whenever you have same color in both sides, you have to start the distribution process. Okay, how can we distribute? For example, for our convenience, I will put horizontally with keeping some distance. Okay, so you have to distribute these square bits to these three rectangles at equally. Now I will take this one, I will give to this rectangle, and I will take this one, give to second rectangle. So I will take this one and distribute the third one. Next I will take this one. Second round starts here. Okay, this one, and you will take this one and you will take this one. So what happened? One will be remaining in the RHS. Can you distribute this for this or this? No, not at all, because these three rectangles are equal to us. Okay, though there is, you don't give any extra square bit for any rectangle. That's why what is the position? As earlier I said, if you have one cake, you and your brother and your sister fights with that cake, your dad, what he has to do? He had simply bring the chalk and cut into 3 pieces. In previous case, your mother makes in 2 pieces. Okay, now here your father makes into 3 pieces. Therefore, this square bit will make 3 equal parts. One part here, that is 1 by 3. Okay, that is here 1 by 3. This makes 1 and 2. So this one here, it is nothing but 1 by 3. This one gives to this one, it is nothing but 1 by 3. This part gives to this one, it is nothing but 1 by 3. Okay, then you have to calculate the value of each x, that means rectangle. Here x is 2 1 by 3. Here also x is 1 2 1 by 3. Here also x is 2 1 by 3. Isn't it? Therefore, x is 2 1 by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 3, or if you like convert into 7 by 2. Isn't it? Okay. Shall we go for other problem? Come to the next problem. It is something different with previous problems. Here the problem is x by 2 is equal to 6. Here the problem is x by 2 is equal to 6. Here the LHS, first one is x. X means rectangle. For which color? Is it plus x or minus x? Clearly it is plus x. Therefore, you will take one rectangle. Isn't it? Now this is x. But we have by 2. By 2 means you have to make the x. You have to make half of the x. That means now I will go to split this rectangle into 2 parts. Okay. From this is half and this is half. So this stick here, by using this stick, I can split x by 2. That means x by 2 means 1x can be divided into 2 parts. So by using this stick, I can divide it into 2 parts. What is RHS? That is 5. So you have to take 5 square bits. With which color? Clearly plus 5. That's why you have to take green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then you have to distribute those things. So in this case we have make into half. You can get only half rectangles. Okay. Then you have to distribute those square units for half part only. For half part only. That means this to this only. Okay. This is also for this only. Okay. But this is also this only. And this is also for this. And this is also for this. Because here one rectangle splitted. Therefore, you have to distribute those 5 square bits to one bit only. If you have two different rectangles, you have to distribute for the two rectangles. Here we have only one rectangle. That rectangle can be split into two parts. Therefore, you have, in this case, you have to distribute the square bits only. Then you have to find the value of x. If you see here, this half have 5 square bits. Therefore, this half also will have 5. Half of x is 5 units. Then this half of x also 5 units. Then x is how much? Here we have 5. Here you have 5. Therefore, how much? X is equal 10. Okay. But there is no square bits comes here. Here x by 2 is 5. Here x by 2 is 5. Okay. Therefore, another x by 2 can be also 5. Here x by 2, here x by 2. If this x by 2 becomes 5, automatically this x by 2 also becomes 5. Then you will take one more 5 here. 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, total x, whenever you remove this one, now you will get this is x. So, what is the value of x? X is equal to 10. Okay. If a single rectangle split in two parts, then the square bits will be distributed to only one part of full rectangle. Only one part you have to distribute. So, you find the one part value, then you will find all parts value. Okay, by unitary method. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching this video.